red, apple green, shiny fruit and super clean, crunchy bites and full of cheer. An apple a day brings joy near. Banana long, banana bright, peel it down, a yummy bite, soft and sweet and easy to. Banana fun for me and you. Got it, grapes and purple, grapes and green, hanging in a bunch so clean. Pop one in and taste the fun, tiny treats for everyone. Round and full of juice, peel and sip, it's no excuse. Vitamin C, it gives me power, I feel bright like a sunshine flower. And strawberry with dots so red, juicy sweetness must be said. Top it on a yummy cake or a milkshake, fun to make. Kiwi fuzzy green inside, tiny seeds that love to hide. Scoop it out or take a bite, kiwi makes your snack just right. And a pineapple tall with crown so high, juicy rings that make you sigh. Tropical treat with golden glow, so much flavor now you know. Watermelon, big and cool, perfect snack by the pool. Green outside and red within, spitting seeds is where we begin. Yoma mango sweet and yellow too, India's favorite, me and you. Juice that drips in sticky hands, still the best fruit in the land. So soft with fuzzy skin, juicy bites will make you grin. Slice it up or take a lick, peachy treat does the trick. Lemon sour, lemon bright, squeeze it in with all your might. Add to juice or summer drink, it's so zesty, what do you think? Melon light and full of taste, eat it slow, don't make haste. Green or orange, smooth and round, melon joy will soon be found. Dairy cherries red and hanging low, pick them quick before they go. Tiny treats with juicy splash, in your mouth they go in a flash. Blueberry small and full of fun, in a muffin or just one. Little balls of fruity cheer, blueberries bring smiles near. Coconut brown and rough outside, inside white and smooth with pride. Crack it open, drink so cool, coconuts the beach time jewel. Fruits are yummy, fruits are fun, eat them fresh, one by one. Colorful treats from trees so tall, we love fruits, we want them all. Are yummy, fruits are fun, eat them fresh, one by one. Colorful treats from trees so tall, we love fruits, we want them all.